Hi guys, in today's video, we are at day 6 of learning JavaScript. So, in today's topic, we are going to see which is strings. So, strings are the most important topics in JavaScript. As we know, if we go to any website, so like apple.com, so in this website, each and every word is a string. So you can see here, this is a string. What the words, letters you see in this web page are strings. If I press F12 in this website, and you can see this is a string, so which is in double quotes. Choose your country or region. Or if you go to like this, so this section uh, in here you can see if I expand it, so this is a string. So each and every section of a web page is of string. So we need to learn string in detail manner. So if I close this off and go to the folder, so which is in the home page. So if I cancel this and create a new folder, so like JS day 6 for strings, and with shift right click open with VS Code, and we just start our setup. So if I go to here, so in index.html, creating a boilerplate code, and in script tag, we can like the syntax of the strings, or how to declare a string. You can use follow me. So like const um, string is equal to this is a string. So if I at the bottom click on go to live server, or I can also click right click and open with live server. Before that, the prerequisites are you need to have a extension recommended for live server. So you need to install in this. So this is the basic thing. So now if I dispose this server and click on again to run this server, if I click down, so you can see here the browser opens a new index.html file in live server, which is localhost. And if I press F12, so in here you can see like in console. So here, so if I right click and click on inspect, and you can see here this is console here. So I have changed my browser to this Microsoft Edge. So you can use any browser, like there are plenty of browsers in this category. And I have not printed the string in the console. So if I console.log string, you can see here in this terminal it is printed this is a string. And that's all about declaring a string and printing out. And next we can see some other features of string. So if I go to here and type strings in JS, in JavaScript we have like many options. So in strings, so strings are basically uh, for storing text. So this is a text which is stored in inside the double quotes. So you can see here the double quotes, the strings are stored, and like there are many uh, like you can see here template strings, string templates, methods, and search and reference. So we will go one by one. So we have declared the string using quotes, and this is the example. So I have shown here. So you can use. I recommend you to use double quotes. So it is helpful because strings can create with the single quotes or double quotes work the same, and there is no difference between the two. But for advanced JavaScript, you should use double quotes. And here we discuss another topics which is template strings. So string templates, template strings, and template literals are the same. So like it uses backticks syntax which is present in the keyboard. So like this two keys. So instead of that, you can use uh, double quotes, you can use backticks. So it is used to store the variables inside the string. So I will show here, and also you can insert double quotes in inside the string using backticks. So like if I create a variable like what is that string string templates, or I use the word template literals. So if I copy that variable name and without space, if I give, so sorry, I have minimized minimized this. So without this, I have if I give template literals, so const template is equal to in instead of using double quotes, you can use backticks, which is present at the top left of the keyboard at the corner, top left corner. And you can see here inside this, you can type a string. So this string is printed using template literal. And if I double quotes this template literal, you can see. So if I console.log um, template literals in, you can see in my browser. So if I go to this file, you can see this double quotes is also printed in inside this. So this is one of the use case of backticks of template literals, and this is basically the syntax. And you can also print the variables, and also you can template it, strings also allowed multi-line strings. So this is the example, you can try it your own. So if I show like this example now in practical use case, so if I go and create a variable, so like eg template is equal to using backticks, and here I can save a variable. So if I save my name like here, so if I name in strings Pratik and age 21, and in console.log in back using backticks and print. So hello, and you should use um, a dollar symbol and double flower brackets, and inside that you can give the variable name. So I give name, and it will say hello Pratik, and if I can also add double slash, and your age is, and I again give dollar and flower curly braces, and give the value age, the variable name age. So it should be printed in my console like hello Pratik, your age is 21. So if I go to this, and in console you can see hello Pratik, your age is 21. So in these cases, the backticks are useful in this strings concept, and there are another use case also. So you can check other exercise also. So, and if I go to next section in string methods, so it is one of the use case of string methods. So there are many string methods. Basic string methods are like length, character at, and concat. So we use just 1 to 3. So these three string methods frequently: length and uppercase, lowercase, and so on. So if I show in VS Code, go to VS Code, and like I use this itself, my name as variable. So if I go and console.log name dot to uppercase. So I think so. I think uh, if we define a variable, sorry, if we define a string and let length is equal to text dot length. So we need to create another variable. For that, I need to create const name length is equal to name dot length. Once again, I if I see, so guys, sorry for the misunderstanding. So I have not seen the autocomplete, so I get confused. So you can use, like, I again show that for this I change to const itself, and here you can console.log using the method like name dot length, length, and you can see using double quotes. So sorry, if I go here and refresh this, you can see the text length is 6 as the character. So if I go to VS Code, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The selected spaces is 6. So the name variable is of 6 characters. So it gives basically the length of the string, which uses the dot length method. And also we have another method. So if I duplicate this using Alt Shift down arrow key and to uppercase. And first of all, check this function. So I need to run. If I run this function, you can see it is my uh, name is fully converted into uppercase, and you can use for to lowercase also. So if I again duplicate this and to change to lowercase, and you can see all the characters are converted to lower string. And these are the basic methods which are regularly used in strings. And again we can see like other methods you can practice as your homework. And next in search, so in search we don't use practically, so you can also see this as your exercises in this. So i I can explain one of the example basically. So search methods, in search methods, so you can use the index of method returns the index position of the first occurrence of the string, and if or it returns -1 if the string is not found. This is the basic use case. So we declare a variable here which is a string, and we use dot index of method and to locate. So if I click this, and you can see here, so the locate is present at 7th position. So the position of locate first occurrence is 7. Likewise, you can see here. So first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the first L, it counts. The index get counts, and basically you can see here the position is printed as 7. So this method gives the first occurrence of a string in a string. Okay. And next, the JavaScript counts positions from 0, as you know, and this is the another method which is last index of, and this last index of method returns the string as the last occurrence. So it will say like from here, it counts from last. If I click this, and you can see it ignores the first L and counts the second as it is the 21st position in the index. So you can practice another methods like search, and this method just returns the position of the matching given index, sorry, string. And that's all. So that's all about the basic concepts of string, guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. And that's all. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.